Alright, let's try this thing again. Alright, after that last one, I glued it back up. Glued it up right here. And reinforced it with another dowel rod right across the back. So let's see what she does. Oh, that's right. I fly this thing on low rates. That's why it's squirrely. Okay, good. Back to low rates. God, I gotta put rudders on this thing. I'm throwing rudder on it and it's not moving. I'm like, why isn't it turning? And that's just under half throttle right there. See if it can hold those G's now. This is 3/4 throttle. There's full throttle right there. It's fast. Up. Right about half throttle is about, like, you know, pretty fun. Don't want to do high alpha on this till I get the rudders hooked up. Yowza! Let's go inverted. What she got? Slow it down a little bit. One more inverted pass. Hey, how about if I throw on the expo on the elevator? Because the ailerons are what really throw it. Let's go. Yeah, see that? That's like a thrust vectoring deal right there. Those loops. Get closer loop. This little thing is just so fun and it flies so good. It's, you know, $2 airplane. And like I said, the plans on this plane call for an EDF motor, which I've built before and I have videos of that. But since it was so light, I wanted to put a pusher prop on there and see if I can get some speed out of it. And I think I succeeded. And luckily, I threw the motor in there. I kind of guessed about where it should be. And I got lucky. And it balanced out really good. I'm gonna try to find it. Let's try to do some smooth moves here. No, my rudder. Using rudder again. And the rudders would really come in handy at going low and slow like this, because the rudders would keep that nose up in the air. But right now I'm kind of having to turn with my nose already in the air. Alright, I think my battery's just about done. Let's bring it in.